There is a number attached to your name right now. You didn't create it. You've never seen it. And it's already been used against you. Most people think their credit score is the only score that matters. Wrong. There's an entire shadow scoring industry operating completely outside your awareness, assigning you ratings that affect your job applications, your insurance premiums, your loan approvals, and even whether you get a callback after an interview. These are called consumer scores, and they are entirely legal. Companies like LexisNexis, Axiom, CoreLogic, and SageStream collect data on hundreds of millions of Americans. We're talking purchase history, location patterns, social media behavior, court records, rental history, insurance claims, all of it combined into a single profile with a score on top. And here's what makes this genuinely disturbing. You have almost no right to see it, no right to correct it easily, and often no idea it's being used. When you apply for car insurance, the insurer doesn't just check your driving record anymore. They buy a report from a data broker that includes your shopping habits. Studies show people who buy certain products, like birdseed or felt pads for furniture legs, are statistically lower risk, so they get cheaper rates. People who buy cheap wine and lottery tickets, higher rates. You didn't know your grocery cart was underwriting your insurance policy. Landlords use these scores. Employers run them. Some hospitals use predictive scores to decide how aggressively to pursue payment from patients. There are companies that sell what's called a workplace violence score, a risk rating based on your digital behavior, social media posts, and purchasing patterns. Employers buy these before making hiring decisions. You never get told. There's no appeal process. You just don't get the job. The Fair Credit Reporting Act covers traditional credit reports, but these alternative data scores, they live in a regulatory gray zone. The FTC has flagged the problem. Lawmakers have proposed legislation, but as of right now, most of this operates with almost zero oversight. Some of these companies process data on over 250 million Americans. That's basically the entire adult population of the United States. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you have the right to request your file from any consumer reporting agency. Go to the CFPB website, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and look up the list of specialty consumer reporting companies. You can request your report from each one, for free, once a year. It won't fix the system, but at least you'll know what's in your file. And sometimes, knowing is the first terrifying step. The credit score you know about is just the tip of the iceberg, the score that's actually shaping your life. You've never even heard of it. Subscribe, because we're pulling back the curtain on all of it.